Form 4-digit largest and smallest numbers using each digit only once. So your digits are given. We have to use the digits only once and we have to make the 4-digit largest number and the smallest number. So 4-digit largest number and smallest number means you'll have 4 places. You need tens, hundred, thousand. To make the largest number, among the digits you have to see the biggest number. 8 is there, then 6 you have to write, then 4 you have to write, and then 3 you have to write. That is 8643. Now you have to make the smallest number by using the same digits, 4-digit number. So see the smallest number, 3 you have to write, then 4 at the hundred place, 6 at the tens place, and 8 at the unit place. So this is a 4-digit smallest number, 3468. Similarly, you can make with these numbers also. Largest number. So first you'll write 8, then 5, then 3, then 2. 8532 is the largest number and smallest number. 2 first you'll write 3, 5, 8. 2358 is the smallest number. Now here see in this, the largest number will be 7620. Now you want to make the smallest number. So here 2 and 0 is the small number. But we can't take 0 in the thousand place. If we take it, it will become the 3-digit number. So what we have to do, 2 you have to take. At the second place you have to take the 0 and then 6 and then 7. 2067 is the smallest number. Now next one, see. 7530, you'll get the largest number out of these 4 digits. The smallest number, same thing. We can't take 0 in the first place. So among 5, 7, 3, 3 the smallest. Then take second place, 0 you take, then 5, then 7. 3057 is the smallest number.